Here's a quick video on how to put together an audio system for seminar speakers and folks that are going around plugging into house systems, or if you want to project your sound from your computer or your wireless mic out to your own little speaker system. So here goes. I'm going to start with how you actually connect to the outgoing system, that is the house sound system, speakers in the wall, speakers in the ceiling. The way you do that with your own cable is you have here an XLR cable, and it's usually this end right here that's going to go into the wall. Sometimes there's a 1/4 inch. That's what this is that's coming out of the wall instead of the XLR. So in that case, what you do is you just plug in the 1/4 inch, and then you connect the this end of the adapter into your XLR connector. The XLR connector then comes over here into this little interface box that you can pick up on Amazon for I think 20 bucks or so, and you plug it into this end here, and then all of this, in order to get sound out to that system, plugs into the heart of your system here, which is this Behringer mixer box, right into that receptacle there. So now anything that comes into this Behringer mixer box is going to be able to go out to that system. Now, if you're not going to go into a house system and not going to interface with the XLR, the other option is to have your own little speaker here, and I have a JBL Flip that you can pick up on Amazon or Best Buy for about 99 bucks. I have a simple little 1/8 inch cord. Of course, you can use a stereo interface if you want, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in here, and then I will plug this in to the back side of this JBL Flip right here into the 1/8 inch receptor, and then I'll be able to project really good sound via my own little self-contained system. So now we're into the system. I'm just going to unplug this and then plug this back in, assuming we're going to be going out to house sound. Then the issue is what things are we going to bring into the system? So once again, the heart of everything coming in and going out is this little Behringer. I've got a 302, Behringer 302 mixer. I think Guy Burns actually says he uses a 502, so either one. Very small footprint, easy to contain, carry. I'm going to go over to my Shure PGX D4 wireless mic, and on the back side of that wireless mic, of course, you're going to go into power, but off the back side is a 1/4 inch receptacle. I'm just going to plug the 1/4 inch into the back side of the wireless mic, and then I'm going to come over here to the other end of the 1/4 inch, and I'm going to plug it into the microphone part of my Behringer, and this also requires power as well. Now the other thing I want to get sound into is from my laptop. So what I'm going to do with the laptop is I'm going to take this little 1/8 inch and I'm going to go into the front end of the laptop, and then I'm actually going to come out to this stereo audio cable, and I'm going to plug into the input section of my Behringer and put the left channel in there, put the right channel in there, and then when you use that stereo cable, of course, you have in the Behringer mixer the ability to be able to balance sound, treble, bass, balance, all that kind of stuff here. So basically, in a nutshell, coming off the house system, usually XLR, so you want a 25-foot XLR cable, plugging into this little interface so you can go into your mixer over here in a nice 1/8 inch kind of way. So pick up one of these, and then that's getting you out there. And of course, you have the other option of being able to go out to your own little speaker system, being that set up right here. We have the Shure PGX4, and then we have the coming off the 1/4 inch off the back into the microphone input, and then coming off the front end of your laptop with the 1/8 inch into the stereo cable input over here. And once those are all hooked into power and everything, you should be good to go.